Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're heading out on a road trip, riding your bike, or just need a quick fix for low tire pressure, a reliable portable inflator is essential. Today we're breaking down the ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 tire inflator portable air compressor, a compact powerhouse designed to make inflation fast, accurate, and convenient wherever you are. In this video, we'll look at standout features that make this inflator worth your attention, from its digital display to its versatile design. Let's get started. Fast inflation performance. The VORTEX S6 brings impressive air delivery for its size, meaning faster inflation times for car tires, bike tires, and more. With a strong internal pump and high airflow, it gets the job done quickly without overheating. Whether you're topping off your SUV or prepping your sports gear, performance is smooth and dependable. Digital pressure display. This inflator features a clear digital display that shows current and target pressure in PSI, or kPa. Accurate readings are essential to avoid under- or overinflation, and this display makes it easy even in bright sunlight. The screen lets you set your target pressure, so you don't have to guess. The inflator stops automatically when it reaches your preset value. Auto shut-off function. Once your tire reaches the desired pressure, the VORTEX S6 shuts off automatically. This protects your tires and ensures safety and convenience. No hovering, no guessing, and no pressure mishaps. Just set it, start it, and walk away. Built-in LED light. Flat tire at night? No problem. The integrated LED work light illuminates your work area, making nighttime or low light inflation safe and hassle-free. It's a small feature that makes a big difference during emergencies. 100% duty cycle. Highly durable dual cylinder coupled with the dedicated cooling system, you can continuously inflate all four tires of F-150, 245/70/R 1731-inch, from 0 to 35 psi, without the need for brakes in between. All in all, it's a versatile, reliable portable inflator that's ideal for everyday use, emergencies, and travel. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We've got more gear reviews coming up. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.